Welcome back, everyone. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to copy a meeting link in Microsoft Teams so you can easily share it with others. This tutorial is updated for 2025 and works for both scheduled and instant meetings. Copying a Teams meeting link is useful when you need to invite people quickly, share the link through email or chat, or allow external participants to join. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. If the meeting is already scheduled, click on Calendar from the left-hand menu. Find the meeting you want, then click on it to open the meeting details. Once the meeting details are open, look for the option that says Copy Link or Copy Meeting Link. Click it, and the meeting link will automatically be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere you need. If you're currently inside a Teams meeting, look at the meeting controls at the top or bottom of the screen. Click the three dots, also known as More Actions. From the menu, select More Info, then click Copy Join Info. The link is instantly copied and ready to share. For instant meetings, such as Meet Now, start the meeting first. Once the meeting begins, you'll instantly see a menu and choose Copy Meeting Link. You can then send the link to participants who haven't joined yet. You can paste the copied link into an email, chat message, calendar invite, or any messaging app to invite others to join the meeting. And that's it. You now know how to copy a Microsoft Teams meeting link quickly and easily, whether the meeting is scheduled or already in progress. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.